yn ôl at ni ac mae Brychan Llyr ar fi'n dod I gael sgwrs efo ni. Ond yn gyntaf, da ni angen cael gwers Gymraeg, dydan Matt?
You know I love a gwers.
Wrth gwrs, reit dipyn o hanes Brychan I ddechrau. Mae Brychan yn dod o Aberporth, ger Aberteifi, yn wreiddiol, ac mae o'n amryddawn. It's a good word, isn't it?
Amryddawn.
Amryddawn, multi-talented. Mae o'n actor, mae o'n gyflwynydd, mae o'n gerddor, musician, mae o'n ganwr, ac mae o'n jockey.
That's awesome.
Gawn ni siarad efo fo am y ceffyla. Ac be arall gallai ddweud wrth ti am Brychan? Y band Jess. Ti'n cofio Jess?
Yeah, fi'n cofio Jess.
Wel, gawn ni siarad...
Will he be wearing his leather trousers today?
Nawn ni weld, hei, ond dwi wedi gofyn iddo fo ddod â'i gitar. Maybe we can have a can fach ganddo fo.
Really?
Yeah. Dyma'r wers I ti.
Diolch.
Dyma ni.
Okay. Sut brofiad ydi?
What kind of experience is?
So brofiad is experience.
Profiad is experience. Perfect. So, what kind of experience is? So what's it like, really, ynde?
Sut brofiad ydi?
Yeah.
Beth yw jockey?
Jockey.
Horse riding?
Jockey. Horse riding ydi marchogaeth.
Marchogaeth.
Marchogaeth, but more of what he
Reidio
does
ceffyl.
is rasio.
Rasio. Okay, sut brofiad ydi rasio ceffyl?
Rasio ceffyl.
Okay.
Rasio ceffylau, da iawn.
Oes.
What kind of experience was? Mae o hefyd yn cyflwyno cyfres newydd ar S4C o'r enw Ceiau Cymru.
Ceiau.
Wales is fields. Achos yng Nghymru, mae gan Geiau fields hanesion. Lots of history and stories am y Ceiau. Felly, gawn ni siarad am y gyfres. So what kind of experience was filming Ceiau Cymru?
Sut brofiad oedd ffilmio Ceiau Cymru? Ceiau Cymru. Yeah.
A wedyn, chydig o frawddegau cyffredinol, some general sentences hefyd, dwed wrtha I am.
Dwed wrtha I...
Tell me about.
Tell me about. Easy.
Dwed is to tell or say, iawn. Dwed wrtho ni am tell us about.
Tell us about.
Iawn. Mae o hefyd yn cadw teepees. You know, people can come and stay ac aros yn y teepees. So can say, oh, tell me about the teepees. Neu, what about the teepees?
Beth am teepee?
Yeah, beth am y teepees. A hefyd, how can I have forgotten? Mae wedi ysgrifennu llyfr. Yeah,
pa
so,
llyfr?
What about the book? Autobiography, Hunangofiant.
Beth am llyfr ti?
Yeah, Deliver di.
Deliver ti. Beth yw autobiography yn Cymraeg?
Hunangofiant.
Hunangofiant.
Yeah.
I'm not going to remember that.
So, cofio.
Cofio?
Yeah.
Gofiant?
Cofiant.
So it's a memory book?
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
Cofiant is a biography. Hunan-gofiant, like ben fy hun, hunan, is like your own
account of your memory. Okay. Okay, I got to get dweud o 3 in my brain. Tell me about.
Wedyn
it's really handy.
Mae o'n ddefnyddiol iawn.
Dweud wrtha I nesa.
Dweud wrtha I am beth sy'n nesa.
Am beth sy'n nesa.